Valterra's high-speed flow wrapper with automatic aligner seamlessly integrates with your upstream baking system to wrap at speeds of up to 300 packages per minute. In this video, our customer has installed a turnkey baking system for packaging bite-sized cookies. The Sleek HSA includes servo drives for precise feeding and accuracy, automatic product alignment to single file, dual film holders with automatic splicing, large color display with recipe recall, integrated conveyor belt scraper for sanitation, empty pouch reject system, and much more.